Hello students, this video is for class 11 science botany. In my previous videos I have started with the chapter plants and minerals nutrition. That will I will continue in the video only. In my previous video I have given you about the idea on microelements and I have discussed about 5 microelements, their roles, their functions, the deficiency symptoms. In today's video I will start with the 6th microelement. The 6th one is the molybdenum. This is our 6th microelement. Okay. So the first role in case of plant is that it takes part in nitrogen fixation, nitrogen reduction, etc. Acts as an activator of enzymes. So these are the functions of molybdenum in case of plant. Okay, it helps in takes part in nitrogen fixation, nitrogen reduction, nitrate reduction, as well as it plays an important role in as a enzyme activator. In case of animals, it helps in conservation of uric acid. It helps to conserve it. Now, what is the deficiency symptom of it? Causes stoppage of development of leaf blade. Leaf blade means the lamina. It causes the development of this lamina of the leaf. Okay. Apart from this, chlorosis of leaves takes place. Flower formation inhibited. Marginal necrosis may occur. Marginal necrosis means necrotic spots at the marginal areas. Okay, may occur. So these are the deficiency symptoms of molybdenum. Number 7 is zinc. Okay, what is the role of it? It is involved in IAA synthesis. IAA synthesis, you know what is the full form of it? It is auxin or indole acetic acid. It helps in the synthesis of auxin and acts as an activator, enzyme activator, and helps in protein synthesis. So these are the functions played by zinc in plants. In case of animals, it affects the transfer of CO2 from tissue to lungs. Constituents of digestive enzymes which helps in hydrolysis of proteins. So it is helpful in transferring CO2 from tissue to the lungs. Apart from this, it is also present in the digestive enzymes which are helping in the digestion of proteins. Now, what are the deficiency symptoms of it? It causes chlorosis, necrosis, premature shedding of the leaves, distorted appearance of plant leaves, that means the appearance is not good, which become roseted and stunted growth may occur. So these are the deficiency symptoms. Number 8 is iodine. Iodine. Okay. Now, roles in plants. What are the roles of iodine in plants? It helps in plant metabolism. Without it, the growth of plant is totally disturbed. In case of animal, it is present or it is helpful in the formation of thyroid hormone, thyroxine hormone. Iodine in the form of thyroid hormone regulates our BMR, body temperature, as well as body growth. We are well known about these facts. Okay. Now, what are the deficiency symptoms of it? In plants, metabolism affected and growth is disturbed. And in animals, you know, hyposecretion causes goiter. Okay. Now, number 9. Number 9 is the sodium. Sodium is our 9th microelement. What are the roles of it? First role in case of plant, essential only for certain species of green algae. Only for certain species. It helps in the vigorous development of varieties of plants by its presence in the soil. So it helps in the growth and development. In case of animals, it maintains rhythmicity. Okay, and contractility of the heart. Apart from this, it maintains neuromuscular conductivity. Neuromuscular conductivity, it is controlled by the sodium. maintains osmotic balance, normal functioning of blood, regulates muscle and nerve irritability. So neuromuscular activity, if it will control, so obviously muscle activity, nerve irritability, all these will be controlled by it. Deficiency symptom, cellular activities of both plants and animals are disturbed. Disturbances in distribution of water through osmosis. See, as it plays an important role in maintaining the osmotic balance, so if it is not present, so obviously osmosis in our body will be hampered. Apart from this, cellular activities of both plant and animal will be hampered. Why? Because it controls muscular activity, heart rhythmicity, neuromuscular activity. So if it is not controlling all these things, or if it is not present, that means it is not controlling these things. So obviously there will be the chances of the malfunctioning of these organs. Number 10, fluorine. The next micro element, fluorine. Okay. Roles in plants, it is still not known. In case of animals, it helps in for proper development of bone and teeth. Okay. So if it is not present, so it causes tooth decay. Okay. So these are the 10 micro elements, their roles, functions, deficiency symptoms, all discussed. Now there is a difference over here, difference between macro and micro element in page number 10.9. Please do read this difference, macro and micro element. Next I am going to discuss about, next topic is the mineral toxicity. What is mineral toxicity? Okay, so the toxicity which is caused by the minerals, toxicity means that is very poisonous, not good for the health, it is becoming toxic. So the toxicity caused by the minerals in plant tissue due to their presence in concentration higher than the optimum amount. So it is present in higher amount. The minerals are present in higher amount, okay, than their optimum level, resulting in reduction of the dry weight. So reduction of dry weight. What is dry weight? Dry weight means the weight of the cells or the tissues excluding the water. So that is our dry weight. Okay. So what happens over here, due to this mineral toxicity, there is a reduction in the dry weight about how much amount? About 10%. So reduction by 10% in the dry weight. Okay, it is termed as the mineral toxicity. So any mineral which is present in more amount or more concentration that results in the reduction of the dry weight by 10%, that is termed as the mineral toxicity. Where is it taking place? In the plant cells or tissues. Got it? So this is mineral toxicity. So I am keeping the video till this much. In my next video I will continue with the chapter. Thank you.